In the wild waters, one bird faces a challenge every diver knows: the cormorant and its battle to swallow prey. After a powerful dive, it rises with a fish locked in its beak. But the fight is far from over. The fish thrashes, but the bird grips tighter. It shakes its head, flips the fish, tries again and again. Each attempt is a struggle between survival and escape. The cormorant stretches its neck and with one bold move tries to swallow the impossible. And finally, victory is here. The fish slides down, disappearing into the hunter's throat. A master diver and a fearless hunter at mealtime.